Still got to post something to social and we're just finalizing.
Okay. I was like,
Yeah, if you want
That
to
working?
talk, so
yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Lauren Toyota. I'm Hot for Food and I'm here every Wednesday, of course, cooking up vegan love for you. Now, summer has arrived where I live. I'm in Toronto, Canada, and it's gotten sunny, it's gotten a little bit warmer. I'm feeling lighter, more energy. I've been eating healthier. What? So I decided to take that inspiration and share with you today 3 easy summer salads. I know, salad. You don't make friends with salad, but I'm gonna try to make you make friends with salad. These are super easy ones. We're not using blenders, we're not cooking anything. It's all raw, super green, super lush, very hearty, easy dressings, simple stuff, and they're very appropriate for summer. We've got a kale salad, broccoli hemp tabbouleh, and an arugula salad with peas and pistachios. That's kind of the fancy schmancy one. You're gonna whip these up in no time. You're gonna bring them to picnics, barbecues, parties, potlucks, the whole thing, or just enjoy like the whole bowl to yourself on a day where you just need to eat some greens. That does happen to me. I know you think like I probably don't eat salad or whatever, like I don't talk about it that much. And a lot of the food on this channel is brown because all the best food is brown, but today we're going green. That's why I wore my lettuce shirt today. So let's just get into this. We're gonna start by making, which one should we make first? I don't know, let's make the broccoli hemp tabbouleh first. All right, so we've got our broccoli out, we've got parsley, green onion, there's a few other things that are involved in this recipe. Now, you're probably going, broccoli, tabbouleh, that doesn't make any sense. Well, I don't care. This is my version. It's a different version of a tabbouleh-like salad. So there is parsley in there. You can also add mint if you want, that's optional. And tomato. The hemp hearts are kind of like what would normally be bulgur in a tabbouleh. People don't like eating raw broccoli. It's a tough one, right? But you cut this up so small, and then once it sits in the lemon juice and the olive oil and the sea salt, it does sort of get juicier and like kind of half cooked. So this is a raw salad, but it doesn't feel like you're eating like plain old raw broccoli. So you need 2 large crowns of broccoli. I've got 2 small ones and then 1 larger one. You can use the stems for something else if you really want, but you're just gonna cut this up into like tiny pieces, florets, and then we'll add everything into a bowl. You can get all these little scraps too, just throw everything in there. So to this, we're gonna add fresh chopped parsley, green onion, diced tomato, garlic, the juice and zest of a lemon, olive oil, sea salt, and hemp hearts. So you want to give this a really good toss. You can even kind of use your hand, massage the olive oil and the salt and the lemon juice into that broccoli. Now you do need to let this refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving because it is going to help wilt and sort of half cook that raw broccoli, and the flavors, the garlic, everything just gets more meshed together. You can even do it like a day in advance and it's totally great the next day, but at least for 30 minutes. So we're going to put this in the fridge, and now I'm going to show you how to make the kale avocado salad. So we're just gonna shake together the dressing in a jar, which is olive oil or avocado oil, Dijon, lemon juice, and garlic. Okay, so I have washed and spun or dried a bunch of regular kale, and I've taken the stems off. So you wanna pull the leaves off the stems. You don't need those tough bits. And now we're gonna chop this into really fine ribbons or shreds. You have to get this like really finely chopped. That's how kale's much more palatable. I've explained this before to you guys, but in case you're new to Hot for Food, I'm gonna show you how to massage the kale properly. Just take a bunch of it and squish it with your hand, and then go in with your sharp knife and really just like finely chop it. So this is about 6 cups of finely chopped kale. You're gonna take a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and then massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to wilt and turn a brighter, darker green. Okay, so you're massaging the salt into the kale. You'll feel it releasing some moisture. Now you're gonna add in a whole diced avocado, finely chopped red onion, black currants, pumpkin seeds, some ground pepper, then add the dressing and give it a really good toss. And then optionally, you can add some shredded vegan parm. So we're moving right along here with our 3 easy summer salads. The last one is an arugula salad with peas and pistachios, and it has a lemon tahini dressing. 4 ingredients, super simple, so we're gonna shake that up in this jar. So it's the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of tahini, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a pinch of salt and pepper. So for this salad, I'm doing thinly sliced radishes. The nice kind of peppery taste goes well with the arugula. Now I have a mandolin, so we're gonna mandolin these radishes. Just please be careful. I'm being very careful, not using the guard, but TD. So just do a couple of those. I don't go right down to the nub because that's how you cut your finger. There, that's good for this one salad. All right, also you're gonna want fresh peas, or if you can't find fresh peas, frozen peas, which I've used. I thaw them in some water, just like room temperature water, and then drain them. And then we're also gonna add chives and freshly chopped, salted and roasted pistachios. And I like to assemble this salad right on the plate and kind of place all the ingredients on top and then splash it with the dressing. Well, there's our 3 easy summer salads. We got broccoli hemp tabbouleh, kale avocado salad, and the arugula salad with peas, pistachios, and lemon tahini dressing. How fancy ass are these? These are like restaurant worthy, like good restaurant salads. You rarely ever get a good salad at a restaurant. It's always like, there's always weird stuff going on with it. I'm super stoked to dig in. I've been on a real greens kick. I just want to eat more greens and more greens. I know you're like, what bizarro land am I in right now? Is this hot for food? What's happening? But I'm also hot for salad. I guess I'm just gonna dig in, yeah? Do I have to say anything else? I don't think so. This one, I mean, I like them all for different reasons, but this one, so good. This kale avocado. And it smells like garlic in here. It's so good. If you don't like kale, you're just messing with it wrong. You're not preparing it right. The hardcore hot for foodies know that I love kale. There was a time when every single video had some kind of kale in it. I will say I need some bread. I need a side of bread right now. Garlic sticks, excuse me. I was hoping garlic sticks would just come up off the side of the camera over here. Okay, I don't know if you guys think this one's weird or not, but the combinations of peas, pistachios, the peppery arugula, the peppery radishes, the lemon tahini dressing, the chives, it's so good. And I'm using this like microgreen arugula, which I love because it's way more delicate and all the little leaves are shaped like hearts. So if you can find that at a farmer's market or something, get that. All this stuff's in season. Peas are in season, arugula's in season, broccoli. I don't know if broccoli's in season. I think it is. Okay, tabbouleh, here we go. I never thought I'd be stoked on raw broccoli. The only other way I normally eat raw broccoli is if I douse it in ranch. Now this one's good even like if you want to make a pita with falafel, stuff that in there as the tabbouleh. Add big falafel on top. What else could you do with it? We could make it like one of those, is it called fattoush salad? Where you put like pita bread in the salad? Is that what it's called? Yeah? They're all saying yes, okay. Now, lots of sound in this one, guys. Also lots of stuff on my cheese. Okay. This video makes me really happy. All the green, I'm in a really good mood. I don't know what it is. Is it summer? Is it the greens I'm eating? Maybe I'm eating terrible food. It's making me sad. I'm eating too much fried stuff. Okay, whatever. I just listened to my body and all of a sudden it was like, I want to eat salad every day. If you want to hear me talk a little bit more about some random stuff with my friend Natalie, I'm eating these salads on my channel, Lauren in Real Life. Watch Me Eat Salads, it's called, where I sit and chat with someone in my life about who the hell knows and eat. So if you like that part of this video, you can go watch more of that on my personal channel. I've linked it below. I'm not gonna be posting for a few weeks. I'm just gonna be straight up with you right now because I'm going on more book tour dates, Hot for Food book tour dates. Check the dates below. I'm hitting up, I'm gonna be in LA this week at Seafood and Wine. Then I'm gonna be in Halifax, Paris, France, Prince Edward County. So I just cannot like kill myself over making videos in advance to try to keep up with this. So just taking a little pre-summer break here, and then I'll be back with more recipes after I'm well-traveled and inspired. So stay tuned, keep watching the channel. You can watch old videos. I mean, whatever, this stuff's timeless. Got lots of barbecue ideas, things for a picnic. I'll link all of that below so you can keep on watching, and subscribe if you're not already. If you're not subscribed to Hot for Food, what the heck? It's the least you could do for me if you're gonna watch the content. Just hit subscribe. Okay, I think that's it for now. Check out my new cookbook, you know, the whole deal. I really wanna dig in, so I'm just gonna stop talking. People are like, you talk too much at the beginning and the end. Like, just show the recipe. But whatever, I can't help it. Okay, love you all. Bye. Happy salad times.